Hey guys, it's the next day. I was really tired yesterday. And Samuel continuing trend of waking up before day. So guys, we're finally outside now and we're going to get some breakfast. Hopefully there's still some left for us. What time now? Almost 9:30 and the sun kinda hot. Sam, where are you going? What are you going to get? Yes guys, so I gotta look some food, so So you know the usual omelette and pancake. Sam, enjoying breakfast? Alright, cool. Yeah people, time to devour this. Is that orange juice? Yeah guys, breakfast is good. So we are get a one mimosa here now. And Samuel, are you ready for the pool? Alright. So Samuel is ready for the pool. So we're going to carry him now. Ready for the pool? Alright.
Bye-bye.
Huh?
Bye-bye.
Yeah guys, so can't go in the water so early. Sun hot. But they can't keep the kids from the water, so we'll make him have some fun. And we'll see how the rest of the day goes. Go and swim? Sam, look. Sam. So Joel going to slide. See him around here. And say Abby. Hey. Swimming. Come, kick your foot, kick your foot. Okay. The frog one is safe? See, you can go on the slide, Sam. You want it already? Okay. Yes, guys, out here like a lifeguard. Sam, you swimming? You go on that one? Yes, guys, on hot. The place nice. I'm going until high. So guys, Samuel gets so friendly with the water. I really have to watch him because some things they never expect him to do, he's actually doing it now. What happened? Turn back? Yeah? I'm a mermaid, Daddy. Okay, you're a mermaid. You're a merman. Water, see? Yeah. You're going under there? Huh? Yes, guys, I tired as 8. Watch him, watch him, watch him.
You're not tired now!
Like I said, guys, someone will wake up from after 6 this morning. We left for breakfast. In the pool since then. Right now, what this in the oven, it dry. Can say more sleep. Carrying come at a room, leave the stuff outside. Up to now, my youth, no, stop. Up to now, I'm not closing eye. I'm saying I want to go asleep, but it not work out. So I put on working clothes because I'm going to go right back in the water. So, are you ready?
Yes! 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 Yes!
Anybody want to take him?
Yes!
You want to go with somebody? Who?
Maybe Mommy.
Mommy don't want to go with you.
Where?
Mommy need a break.
Not to break. Die!
Anyways, guys, they are same way.
Yeah.
Sometimes we just have to take a look at time out for ourselves. From January, we're there September you now. No vacation up to this point. So naturally you go burn out. But take some time for yourself. For 1 day, for 2 days. Take the weekend, take a week, something, and just relax and chill. We don't know when we are going to do this again.
Kill me.
So we'll make the most out of this weekend. Rest wise, that is because sun too hot for out the door in the heat for the entire day. And I like one time when I used to go out hotel and for the entire day there in a pool carry on and drink a liquor and do a thing. Time to water now, man. By your quint, you drain out and so yeah, we're chilling.
Too.
Huh?
These are dry too.
So we're just gonna go I pool right at the room here, so we're not about to go down on a big pool and just go chill a bit. We had made reservations for an Italian restaurant. Hopefully all goes well. And we'll show you guys bits and pieces. You know, we can't video everything. But you will see what we eventually capture. This place is very nice. I'm considering doing a review. But let's see how that goes. But bless upon yourself and stay tuned. Zine. Yeah. Samuel! You're not coming out the water? Eh?
Yes.
You're not coming out the water?
No.
Guys, watch the sunset. Want to see sunset? Go now, better shot. Watch this.
What? Wait till.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding.
Yes, guys, so we're out at dinner. And he's out at dinner. boy never here for go sleep, so we're here trying to get something to eat. Him eat already, and him a kill sleep. So just one of those things, you know. Nice. So as usual, the food was good. So I'm gonna sleep out the entire thing again. But nevertheless, all in all, it was great, guys. I'm actually walking back now to go check out some of the entertainment for the night. Well, it's actually after 11 now, so I won't be out too late tonight. I have burnt out myself for today, and pretty much the end of the story, I am very tired. So probably about 1 hour, then I'll go back inside. Sammy is with Samuel. But just in case you guys don't see her for the rest of this video, remember that we really appreciate you guys, and I'm going to end the video right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like this video, remember to subscribe if you have not yet done so, remember to share it, and guys, remember the journey continues, and we'll definitely see you guys in another one. All right.